To solve this equation, let's first remove the parentheses by multiplying each of x and minus 3 by minus 4. Then, let's combine like terms on the left side of the equation. In other words, we are going to combine the terms without x. 12 minus 7 is 5. And, minus 4x and 25 stay the same for now. So, we now have a new equation, minus 4x plus 5 equals 25. Now, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, let's first eliminate 5 on the left side of the equation. So, we are going to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the equation, we must subtract the same number from the other side of the equation. After subtracting 5, the left side of the equation is simplified to minus 4x. Then, the right side of the equation is simplified to 20. Now, we are going to eliminate minus 4 in front of x. So, let's divide both sides of the equation by minus 4. So, the answer is x equals minus 5.